onto it in a minute. And you can move this like a car one up and down and whatnot. And lots of ice cubes in there. You've got your fill line, which is there. And you just pour your water in here, but if you want to put ice cubes in, then you just open it up at the top. And I've got this here, which is quite cute. Would you like? Oh, hang on, is that the one that's going to change? Because if it, yeah, it is. I'm keeping that one on. I was looking for that one. And then you've got it on 2 bars at the minute, so I want to see how cold it is. But take it fastest. Quite easy. Not too bad. I'm actually getting a cold chest because I've got them ice cubes in it while I'm leaning over. And 1, which is okay I think if you've got a desk or something and you're sitting at it and you don't really want a massive fan,